Hello, my friend. Welcome back to again World Travel South Africa channel. Today I'm having another devastating news for you, actually related to Mirpur, Kashmir, Pakistan. They're having a very devastating earthquake here. It's around about 5.8 magnitude, and the depth was 10 kilometer, and they had very devastating damage here. So I'm going to share with you some videos and some pictures as well. And I heard around about plenty of people died and more than hundreds are seriously injured. So just pray for them as well. So here are some images and video for you.
Jhelum शहर Jhelum शहर